Hello. Today we're going to have a look at how to create a mezzanine in the opening step. In the wall opening step, you will find the stairwell tool. You can create an opening between two levels in front of the mezzanine. When you click on the thumbnail, you can add a floor stairwell or a ceiling stairwell if you are in a middle floor. If you are on the first floor, you have to choose the floor stairwell to see the living room downstairs. You just have to click and it appears in red. The same stairwell appears on the ground floor in green. The dimensions are customizable in the right panel. The floor stairwell automatically removes the stairwell area from the room area. And there you go. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.